What's up, guys? Joel Hoffman here, coming to you straight from the underground. Underground motivation, lifting people from rock bottom. So I wanted to give you guys some tips and some tidbits straight from my sober training program that I'm building that's been successful with me and the clients that I've had. So the first thing is that no matter what, the answer is always no. No matter what, how clever you get with yourself of trying to sell yourself a reason to use or drink, the answer is always no. Like no matter your situation or circumstance, no matter what you're going through, the answer is always no. Okay. The second thing is that you have 5 seconds whenever that thought or that temptation enters your mind. You have 5 seconds to immediately tell yourself, no, I do not want to do that. No, that's not who I am anymore. No, that's not what I want to do. Right. And so the next thing is how to redirect your thoughts. So once you go through this process, then you redirect your thoughts and your attention onto something else. I don't care if you have to take off running. I don't care if you have to drop and do push-ups, work out, do whatever you need to do, read, watch positive videos, call somebody, do whatever you need to do to redirect your focus. Go work, go clean, do something positive to redirect your focus to where you're not focused on those things. So that's 3 really fast tidbits, guys. This will really help you guys. The answer is always no, no matter what. You have 5 seconds to immediately tell yourself no, and tell yourself no over and over and over again, no matter how many times you have to. The answer is always no. And when you're dealing with that temptation, to redirect your thoughts, redirect your focus, and go do something else that's going to get your mind off the struggle. I've been through the struggle, guys. I know what it is. I know this shit works. Now go implement it in your life and stay sober.